together dismantle this screwdriver from the Bosch company. This .8 volts screwdriver GSR 10.8 VLE2 professional. So go together. First screw is out. Second one somewhere here. Okay, right here. Next one is here. Okay, last one is here. Okay, now we can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can go with this. Okay. I need to go like this. Okay, now this. Here is the problem, and also here we have problem. It's very deep. It's very deep. It's not possible to get there. It's problem with this. It's some solution for this and this. Okay, we have it. And what's now with this? With these screws, we can try this one. Okay, this is working. Okay, but we have a problem with this because it's very deep. Okay. Okay, we have next one, and now just one is there. This. Okay, we have the last one, and we can check together on this inside and what problem we have with this. Is one not working. Okay, last one screw. So inside. Now we should open it. Okay, it's very easy. And you can see this inside. So here we hit push button. So this for battery. Everything looks very fine, but I think this problem is probably here in the motor. So you need to take out this. Okay. Get out this. Okay. Now we can try to turn on the motor. So if you want to see what to do and how to repair this screwdriver, check the next video. This video was about that I will show you how to dismantle and how is it look like from inside. Now you can see how is it look like from inside this screwdriver. And thank you for watching. If you want to buy this screwdriver, you can check the link below and check next video. Bye.